Elizabeth Grillo was continuing her evidence this morning and acknowledged that during questioning from her own barrister that Nigella Lawson was very generous as she ran through a list of things that she said that she had been allowed to purchase, everything from an IKEA bed to language courses and to items of clothing and shoes and various things like that. But then when cross-examination got underway from Jane Carpenter for the Crown, the very first question Miss Grillo was asked was, "Is it your evidence that Ms Lawson has lied to this court?" "Yes," she replied. "And Mr Saatchi?" "Yes." "And you're the one telling the truth?" "I am," she said. "And the other PAs, have they lied as well?" "Yes," she said. Now, originally, when Lisa Grillo was challenged about her levels of spending by Mr Saatchi's accountant, he went through a long list of credit card statements and asked her to identify which purchases had been for herself rather than for the household, as the arrangement had been. She signed up to various items, and those were read out to her again today. But as she did so, she could give no explanation as to why she had agreed that they were personal expenditure, because she said everything that she'd purchased was authorised. Repeatedly, she said that she was allowed by Nigella Lawson to buy items for herself. She said, "I was allowed to buy clothes for myself. I was part of the family. I worked hard. I was part of the family for 14 years. The prosecution put it to her that you've taken advantage of Miss Lawson and Mr Saatchi. "No," she said, "I would never do that, especially Charles, as it was his card." She recalled how one time she'd been asked to go and buy underwear for Miss Lawson's daughter and had bought the same items for herself as well. She said because they were the same size.